Good morning, guys. You don't know it's a girl, MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! That's all come on, guys. So, how are they them? So, guys, right about now, I'm gonna head to the park. I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna show them what I'm on. Turn on the camera. I'm gonna work out at the park. Read, journal, meditate. Right now. I'm gonna show them what I'm on. Showing the hot here because my ear wants sort out. Guys, the clay mask, I recommend before you use it, you test it on your skin. I used it for 2 days. No. And I broke out so bad. You know, agree with my skin. My skin kind of sensitive. So I'm not going to use it no more. So I'm just going to use it clean and clear and cleanse my face right now because I think they don't agree with me and stuff. And yeah, memory breakout. But what to do? Some of the stuff make my face recover from that. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have on right now. Stay tuned. Camera's gonna turn around now. You can see me clearly. I have on a white top, a white hat. Let me lift up my closer. Black and come up some more. See if I go too close. A black and purple. Gym pants. It's so flexible. I like it so much. It kind of hold the skin together. Then I have the shoes here. So I'll be vibing at the gym right now.
What changes our whole life is action. Why don't we take action? Fear. What do we got to do to get ourselves to do it? We got to make sure that we push ourselves through it by making a decision. The point in which change happens is a decision.
So guys, I'm walking to the park now. Today's such a bleaky day. I have the bag because I need to go somewhere after. So I'm going to store, go deal with it. So today kind of feel chilly, but in normal to them, this weather over here normal to them. Yo, my thighs though. I should not dance today. Them thighs though, like I get muscle on my foot. I'm gonna work out for when, and I've been eating Wendy's like crazy. Like nah, eat no more man. I drink soda. Much days now, but now I'm pressure Rasta youth. This other park is like 5 minutes away. I went by yesterday and I have a good little vibe. See some people that work out. So I'm gonna work out today. But I'm gonna read and meditate first, then work out and do that. I should carry my tripod so I could capture me working out. So I didn't bring it. So later. So guys, I'm approaching the park now. I'm going to turn right about now. Make a foot action. So this is the park. See bars in here. These are some of the bars that you can do your hand and your abs and whatever. See, they have it's something here where you can do on this bar. On this bar, they have the instructions on how to use it. You have others right around. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna sit down. Now I'm gonna go over this about one dude there. So I'm gonna go over there. So I'm gonna go over there and put on my stuff. So in the park you have bars for different areas of your body, like your arms, your legs. Over there, so some guy are working upper here. I can't go on that, I'm too short. That you have help and stuff. I don't know some money to do that. Anyways, yeah. So I'm walking around there now. Now I'll go over this so and see what we can get done. So I'm just walking. Yeah, I'll jog first. Then I'll put on my back over this one. I don't know if I can put on my bag in the place. But you know, we gotta get this thing done. So we just gotta put in the work. Morning. So, morning.
Good morning.
So I'm almost at where I'm supposed to be. Those are some other bars there. And I'll go over this one and stuff. So guys, I done my laps them. Last one this me on. I'm gonna do some lounges, what do they call them, lounges, and then some squats, and then I'll be on my way.